Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to apply a tax waiver. A tax waiver is applied when you default paying tax. So what happened is when I came to file my May returns, I had issues. I never filed that day, and Kenya Revenue Authority sent me this payment default notice telling me that I have to make a payment of following my tax obligation and tax period due to this period, attracting an income tax revenue of 2,000 Kenya shillings. Waiver is only applied when you have the penalty. So what we'll log in into our portal. So the first thing is we put our security stamp. After putting our security stamp, we'll be able to log in. After we're able to log in, we'll go directly to our debt and enforcement. Then we request for waiver penalties. Once we request for waiver penalties, we'll come to section A. We see the tax payable, the tax pin, the taxpayer's name. Then the other thing that will come and be able to fill is tax obligation. We have said is income tax residual individual. Then the tax type, it's a penalty. That is why we are applying for a waiver. Then we can see that here is the penalty that we are applying for. It's very clear. So what we'll be able to do at this juncture, it tells us upload a document for the waiver application. This is the document that we are applying for the waiver. For the waiver, ensure you put the reason why you are applying for that. Then we upload it. We've been able to upload that document here. Then we'll come here and submit. It says please add up waiver details by clicking the add button. We'll be able to add all. So you can see your waiver has been completed successful. So at this juncture, if you find this tutorial successful, ensure you leave a thumbs up for YouTube to algorithm to promote my content. So this is his acknowledgement receipt for the tax waiver application, and we are good to go. Thank you.